be the 1549 Elizabeth line service to Shenfield. Call it Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, Seven Kings, Goodmaids, Chadwell Heath, Romford, Gidea Park, Haroldwood, Brentwood and Shenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park and Seven Kings should board the front 7 coaches. This train is currently between Whitechapel and Stratford.
Welcome back to another video of train spotting, and today I'm at Stratford
24-hour CCTV recording
on the Great Eastern Main Line and North London Line and the London Underground, Central and Jubilee lines, and also the 2 lines of the DLR. I'm located on platform 8 right now. So there's a lot to turn up here today. We're not here to see too much because I do have a bit of a cough. But anyways, let's see what Stratford has to offer. Okay, here is A Class 345 bound for Shenfield. Sorry guys for the late 345034. Oh, and off now is 378226 bound for Clapham Junction, with its next stop being at Hackney Wick. The announcements here don't shut up, do they? Okay, off now is 345004 bound for Heathrow Terminal 5. Which I didn't know turned up. Oh, there's a DLR train on platform 4A. Barely ever happens. Oh my god, there's another Overground train. 378217, I'm gonna guess. I think that's what I saw. It's very windy here at Stratford today. Yeah, 378217, terminating in from, I think, Clapham Junction, maybe Richmond. I'll check that in a sec. My suspicions were correct. It came from Clapham Junction at 1550 from Clapham Junction, seems to say. Right, there's something quite exciting about to happen. A Class 710 will make an appearance here at Stratford. But anyways, whilst that's happening, arrived in now is a Class 720 bound for London Liverpool Street. Is that? No, it's not London Liverpool Street, is it? Oh, maybe it is. And here is 345066 bound for Paddington from Shenfield, I'd assume. As arrived in now is 95 and 05, which have terminated in from Canary Wharf. Off now is A Class 378 bound for Richmond. it is nope, not happening. Okay, off now is 7:20. 548, 7:25:48, bound for London Liverpool Street. On the rear is 7:25:24. As off now is 345:066, bound for Paddington. Next stop being at Whitechapel. 7:10 still hasn't turned up. It was meant to. But oh look. Here comes 7:25:80, bound for Braintree. Oh, and it has no rear. That's 7:25:80. I meant.
This is a security message.
That's what I said.
If you see something.
Okay guys, sorry everyone for the misunderstanding. The 7:10 was on platform 10. So you won't be seeing that today, unfortunately. Yeah, sorry everyone. Approaching now is a class B92 stock coming in terminating. This might actually be terminating from Lewisham if I'm not mistaken. I actually don't know. Off now is 05 and 95, bound for Canary Wharf. Next stop, Mill Lane.
Goodmays, Chadwell Heath, Romford, Gidea Park, Harold Wood, Brentwood and Shenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Maryland.
Okay, there is a class 378 terminating in from, I'm not too sure.
Between Whitechapel and Stratford.
I'll see you in a minute. 378223. No, I don't know. I failed to get the numbers. Sorry guys. Okay, arriving in now is a 345 bound for Shenfield. Not Shenfield. Shenfield?
Gidea Park, Harold Wood, Brentwood and Shenfield.
Yeah, Shenfield. 345064.
Short platforms. Passengers for Maryland.
345064.
And 7 Kings should board the front 7 coaches.
I just hate the announcements. And 23 and another unit at the rear, 75 made an appearance. Yeah, okay, so that Shenfield train, let me just quickly check where it's from. Gone from London Paddington, I presume. Is that what it says? Anyway, 7:25:79 comes up to Southend Victoria. Going from London Liverpool Street. As off now is a 378 bound for Clapham Junction, starting here. On the rear 78
train to arrive at
217.
platform 8 will be the 1604 Elizabeth line.
Oh.
Maryland, Forest Gate.
Look what's turned up. 345 005 has turned up, which is going to Paddington.
Haroldwood, Brentwood and Shenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short
And off now is
passengers for
725 35 going to London Liverpool Street. This one's from Braintree. I think this one's from Braintree. I will check that at the end. Okay, this is the last train of the day. Oh look, here comes A-Class 378 terminating in from somewhere. As of now is 345 005 going to Paddington. Its next stop being at Whitechapel. Well, off it goes. Oh, arriving. Okay, this is the last train of the day. This is A-Class 345 bound for Shenfield. 345 063.
Elizabeth line, service to Shenfield. Call at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, Seven Kings, Goodmaids, Chapel Heath, Romford, Gideon Park, Haroldwood, Brentwood and Shenfield. This train is formed of 9 coaches.
Just so hard
Due
to do.
short platforms, passengers for Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park and Seven Kings should board the front 7 coaches.
It's always so hard to do an outro here at Stratford. There's always going to be one last train.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended
Well,
may be removed without
thanks for watching.